Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits without buttermilk. First, you'll need to create a simple substitute. Combine 1 cup of regular milk with 1 tablespoon of either lemon juice or white vinegar. Stir it gently and then let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll notice it starts to curdle slightly, which means it's ready to use. This acidic milk will provide the tang and tenderizing qualities that buttermilk usually offers in your biscuit recipe. Next, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar to enhance the flavor. Now, the crucial step for flaky biscuits. Cut in 6 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter. You can use a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Now it's time to bring everything together. Make a well in the center of your dry ingredients and pour in the homemade buttermilk substitute. Using a fork, gently mix until the dough just comes together. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough biscuits. Once combined, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it briefly, just 6 to 8 times, to bring it together without developing too much gluten. Finally, let's get these biscuits ready for the oven. Roll your dough to about 3/4 of an inch thick. Use a 2-inch biscuit cutter, pressing straight down without twisting for perfect rise. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they're beautifully golden brown. They'll be warm, flaky, and delicious. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.